Welcome to PLSQL tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore variables and data types. Variable is a placeholder where we can store some values, and data type is the type of the value of a variable, so can hold. So these are common PLSQL data types. Varchar of n, so it is used for text and strings. Number of p comma s, it is precision and scale. So example, you can this is the number. So for example, number of 6 comma 2, so total digits are 6, and after the decimal point, so you are permitted to give only 2 decimal values. Date data type, it is used for data type values. Boolean is used for true and false. So these data types are familiar in SQL language also. So this is the basic structure of PLSQL block. So before start of a PLSQL program, so it is containing some blocks. We need to familiar with that blocks. So we have to switch on the set server output on. So to print the data type, to print the output, so we need this. We need to enable this server. So this is the basic structure. Begin DBMS output dot put underscore line, and so structure. So it is containing 3 blocks: declare, begin, end. So in this 3 blocks, declare is depend to define the variables, and begin is for executable code, and so end is for closing that. So we can see these examples. So declare, it is used to declare variables, constants, cursors and exceptions. Begin contains executable code. So declare is optional, begin is mandatory. So let us see how to execute this simple example. Go to SQL terminal and connect to the database. So once it is connected, then we'll so we can see here set server output on. So begin, so hello Oracle, and now it is printed or hello Oracle. So this is the procedure. PLSQL procedure successfully executed. So it is a hello world program. Similarly, so we can declare some variables, and we'll execute. I will try to execute this. See the second example. So in this example, so a student name varchar of 20, student age is number, begin. So this is executable. We are assigning some value to the student name, assigning some value to the student age, and we are going to printing name and age. So we can see here name and age are printed. The procedure PLSQL procedure executed successfully. Similarly, so best practices for variables. So you have to use the meaningful names. For example, if we are using salary, so better we can take like s underscore student underscore salary or employee underscore salary we can take. So and you need to initialize that variable so whenever required, and better to avoid the reserved words. Use size limits for varchar 2. So when you are mentioning the varchar 2, so we have to mention the size with that data type. So this is a challenge. Just try yourself. Declare some variables for your favorite movie and year of release. So using the output function dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and share your code in the comments. So next video, so we'll do on the control flow in PLSQL, if statements, case expressions. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget like, subscribe and comment your questions in the PLSQL. So in this video, so we have learned about variables and data types and how to execute them. Thank you all.